Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
So right now I'm on my way towards Ritik's house. Yep, I'm on my way towards Ritik's house, and I have to figure out the route to his house because they blocked certain routes. So there's that thing I'll have to deal with. Apart from that, I would like to speak about Beach Bappa. What exactly is Beach Bappa? Beach Bappa is an eco-friendly product which is completely biodegradable from the A to Z of the product. Every single material used in it is biodegradable, eco-friendly. So I'll just give you the main aim and purpose of Beach Bappa. The main aim and purpose of Beach Bappa is that, number one, Ganesh Chaturthi causes shitloads of water pollution. Shitloads. So the main purpose is to beat the water pollution. We don't need to do that, but people still do it. That's another issue altogether. Yo, this man just gotta chill the fuck out, man. And the next issue is climate change. Climate change is a big fucking thing which nobody is speaking about. To be honest, everyone speaks about it, but nobody does any fucking thing to, improve that. So if you look at it, for climate change, literally everyone will speak about, the climate is getting fucked, but nobody is doing anything to reverse the situation. What are you doing to reverse the situation? If you do not know what the fuck are you doing, hit us up. We'll give you a certain product. Our entire service is based on this, using products to ensure we deal with the sustainability factor wisely, more smartly, to be honest. So Beach Bappa will solve these two issues. Number one being water pollution. Number two being climate change. You are somehow contributing towards it. How? When you ask how, so I'll explain that also in a bit. So Beach Bappa is basically a kit which you will be getting for 350 rupees. For 350 rupees, this is inclusive of home delivery. So it'll be done to your door. So here in the 350 rupee kit, you will be getting a box in which you will have a coco peat pot and soil and an 8-inch idle. Last year it was 6-inch idle, shout out to Prakash, but this year it's 8 inches. So you'll have an 8-inch idle, coco peat pot, soil, and an extra packet of seeds. So the whole point of Beach Bappa is that after you're done doing your Ganesh Puja, you can take this idol, put it in the pot or in any bigger pot and water it for 8 to 9 days, and the clay is going to melt. The clay is going to melt and there'll be a seed inside the stomach of the Ganesha. That's the whole reason of Beach Bappa. Okay, so there'll be a seed inside the stomach of the Ganesha. So when you water it down, the clay is going to melt and you will be getting a plant out of it. So this is how you will be contributing to fight climate change. This is your contribution by buying the idol indirectly towards climate change. Okay, so again, not every seed grows when it's inside the idol. So just to make sure the customer is going to get the end product, end result, right? So we give out an extra packet of seeds. Okay, so again, in this seed packet you won't be getting 2 or 3 seeds, you will be getting shitload of seeds, so you can keep using it again and again. So the next question might be, what kind of seeds do you put in there? The kind of seeds we use are microgreens and micro herbs. This way, every single plant which grows out of the Beach Bappa is edible. Literally everything will be edible. There are no flowers or as such. Just a minute, I'm in a fucked up position right now. Yeah. So yeah, this way every plant which is coming out is edible for you. This is what Beach Bappa is. And this year due to COVID, we are giving out a hand woven face mask. Why? This is to promote safety during this present situation, and also conducting your festival safely with your family and your people around you. So this is basically what Beach Bappa is. Now I'll get to the branding version. What can you do with the branding? Like, how can you make money, and how can we make money, and more importantly, how can the customer take advantage of the service we are providing through branding? So here, branding, we have 3 price slabs, which is at 1 lakh, 3 lakh and 5 lakhs. So these are the basic standards which we put. Last year also we got branding with the same prices, so that's the only reason we had these prices set in. Apart from this, anyone who wants to know what exactly do you get for this 1 lakh, 3 lakh and 5 lakh worth of branding, DM me branding. I'll drop my Instagram handles and other social media platforms also. DM me branding and I'll exactly explain you what exactly will you be gaining. What exactly will you be gaining out of this branding deals? Okay. Now, for the people who cannot afford the base price of 1 lakh also, we don't want them to lose up on this opportunity. So, just for their convenience, we can customize the branding deal for you. Only for them. For the ones who cannot, afford 1 lakh, for these people, we can customize the branding deal in such a way that you will get the maximum benefit you can ever get. Again, here the commission rates for branding is, it starts at 25%, 25, 30 and then goes all the way up to 35. So the reason I'm talking so much about branding is very simple. The only reason is great deal. Give me a second. Yeah. The only reason I'm speaking this much about branding is right now the money which you're spending for ads elsewhere, right? If they're not converting, if you're still dumping money there, it doesn't make any sense. This product which is going to be bought by people, we already moved in a lot of 1100 to 1500, somewhere between that. We already moved the lot. These idols, these boxes are going to be in people's houses. So when they're going to be in people's houses, you are literally spending probably 1 rupee compared to the 10 rupees you would spend to reach the customer. Customer acquisition is fucking cheap. This is one of the ways. This is our leverage. You can spend, let's say, 1 lakh and get what you get out of spending 10 lakhs. Maybe not 10. I'm 100% sure you're getting at least 5 lakh worth of branding done through this 1 lakh which you're going to spend. Why? Because the shit which we are offering for the 1 lakh is way too much. We know that too. But we still are doing that because we want the value to be out there. Why? Again, win, win, win. That's the ideal situation which Make Me Garden always speaks about. Let it be for its people who are working or for the company who's making money. Anything, literally anything. We always strive to go for the win-win-win situation. This way, everyone is happy. Yep, I'm playing in a reverse. And this car doesn't give me a sensor, so I've got to just look around for a bit. So yeah, there is the branding deal. If you want more information about this, hit me up. Feel free to hit me up. I'll drop my social media handles in the description. And you can text me there and I'll send it to you. Or if not, DM me your WhatsApp number and I'll directly send you the documents for branding, the document for the product, and also the commission rate slabs. How exactly will you be making money? Actually, fuck it, it's too sunny here. Can I? Yeah, I can park it there. I can park it there. It's so fucking sunny here. Yep. So there it is for Beach Bappa. And apart from Beach Bappa, Shop Refined, dude, refined. Fucking insane thrift shop idea. If not for now, people are going to, go back to this fucking video and be like, how the fuck did we miss on this opportunity? Because I'm telling you, I personally never knew there is something called a thrift shop in India. I always heard that song by Macklemore, Thrift Shop. I loved it. But then never saw anything like that in India, at least. Okay, so I've reached Ritik's house. I'll be going to that fella's house. So you've got Shop Refine. I'll drop Shop Refine's link also in the description, and I want you to go check it out. If you're kind enough, go and fucking follow it. You're not gonna lose anything, man. You're not gonna lose shit, okay? Shop Refine, boys, Manaz, with a beautiful idea and concepts, is getting in people, linking up people. We're working with them. We'll be launching our next line of clothes, which will be sold really soon. I think it was supposed to happen today, but then we are postponing it by a couple of days so that a lot more people can reach it. So yeah, there's that. Hope you understand what I've told, and if you need any more information, just hit me up on any social media platform. I will let you know. Actually, I'll just extend this video till you meet. Ritik, where you at, bruh? So I'm here. This is his house. Waiting on him. So anyways, this is one of the best ways for you to get customer acquisition, because we are literally providing shitloads of ways how you can reach more number of people. We are not only ending the branding there, we will be making social media creatives for the specific company also, whoever provides us the money. So this way we can, give them the creatives for them to post on their social media as well. So they're basically paying for branding and also getting content creation done for the same damn price. So this does not really end with customer acquisition. It goes all the way. Hello, uncle. Yeah. So this goes all the way till content creation also. It doesn't end at branding. Mr. Ritik Anand. Fuck you doing around? What's up, man? What you doing?
You again.
What you doing?
You said you would call, no?
I said I'll call, but I didn't.
I expected you to call.
Bye.